Hi guys, I'm Nash and today we'll be making a deliciously sweet and sticky marinade for barbecue chicken. And this recipe is perfect for marinading your chicken before your barbecue. Firstly, take a mixing bowl, then grate in 20 grams of freshly peeled ginger. Also take 3 garlic cloves, peel and then crush into the bowl with the ginger. Also add to the bowl a dash of chili powder, 40 grams of caster sugar, a dash of Worcestershire sauce and 75 milliliters of white wine vinegar. Also add 50 grams of Runny honey, then 200 grams of tomato ketchup. And now simply mix these ingredients together until thoroughly combined. Now place a saucepan over a low heat on the stove, then pour in the barbecue sauce. Then simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes while stirring continuously in order for the sauce to reduce down and become nice and sticky. And when you finish simmering your sauce, simply remove from the heat, then pour into a heat-proof bowl and allow to cool thoroughly. Next, take 8 chicken drumsticks and place them into the bowl of the sticky barbecue sauce. Make sure the chicken is coated all over in the sauce, then cover the dish and leave to marinate for at least 2 hours or even better overnight in the fridge. Now, once your chicken is finished marinading, it's then ready to barbecue. So on a barbecue that's piping hot, place the chicken drumsticks on, then make sure they're cooked all over and cooked through. Do this by rotating them constantly and not cooking them too quickly when they're on the barbecue. And when you're happy your chicken's cooked, take all your drumsticks from the barbecue, then sprinkle over with some sesame seeds. And there you have it, that's how to make these delicious sticky drumsticks that add a great bit of flavour to your barbecue chicken.